because you said that the elevation is defined, the slope is defined in the relation to the horizontal, and the horizontal, the baseline for it is the horizon. So logically, the horizon will have no slope because you've referenced your coordinate system, your baseline, to the horizon in the first place. So you've simply
stop a second.
proved...
Stop. So when you got to that point last time, QE said, "Welcome to flat Earth." I'm just going to do the same thing. Welcome to flat Earth. So no Earth curve then. It's just straight, no deviation from the horizontal. That's what we're referencing, right?
Elevation angle off of a position that's not the surface of Earth. That's consistently a changing mirage. How are you going to get that? You're not. How are you going to get your correct latitude? You won't. Do we get our correct latitude using the visible sea horizon and Polaris? Yes. That's the end of that. You don't even have to go further than that, but when you want to go into parallel light rays and nonsense, just bring them to the 45-degree from Polaris. Point out, show them their own claim. Show them a diagram of their own globe and their own globe claim concerning Polaris and what 45 degrees would mean for latitude. That's all you have to do, and you'll see exactly. Then put it something 6 miles above that. You won't get. You know what? I'm giving it here. I might just do a video on it again.
Isn't the horizon being affected by refraction something that isn't exclusive to the globe and something that flat earthers also acknowledge? So if you want to claim this as something that would...
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
No, it is not. There is no refracted horizon. That's a heap of rubbish. There is no refraction of the horizon. That's purely a mathematical globe claim.
Well, there's no refraction. Number one, there's no refraction. And number two, even if there were, the horizon wouldn't be refracted. You don't know what refraction is, son.
Okay, but regardless, I don't know what is exactly the factor you claim that is causing that, or even if you make a claim, but we observe directly that the horizon moves, regardless of what do you want to call the cause
horizon
of it.
Moves.
So,
that's not due to
yes,
refraction.
Exactly.
Let's get back to refraction.
The horizon is not the horizon is not a physical consequence of a geometric shape, though. That's the problem. Like on flat Earth, that's not. We don't have a geometric point that we have to establish other things based on. When you have a geometric point like on a globe, that helps you establish other truths.
I can
we don't have that type of claim, so we don't need to really address the question that you're asking because it's nonsense.
The horizon doesn't move vertically; it moves horizontally. So horizontally, it can be further from you or closer to you. It doesn't go up and down vertically into the observer. That never happens.
Well, I mean, Skunk Bay.
But there is no horizon in Skunk Bay.
Oh, that's true.
Yes, there's no horizon in Skunk Bay. No.
That. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Just like I just want to let you guys know that Nat Geo video that I always use, that's not a horizon either. Don't say it's a horizon. Say there's no horizon in this video. Anyway.
So how can you have a horizon on a globe anyway? Look, I'm going to get into John Gendas.
You can't.
Hold on, let's let Embo answer it. He's a bowler. You should answer that.
I think the horizon on the globe, it's how it's formed is pretty self-explanatory. It's not something that needs to be explained here, right? You are somewhere above the surface of the globe, so you will have this set of points at which you have the straight line of sight and you can look at them. But after some point, in order to look at this surface, your line of sight would have to get through the surface. So there is the point, which is the tangent, which is like the border of that.
Tangent.
And after that point...
Stop. Tangent. Define tangent.
The tangent is a line that has only one common point with a surface of a sphere or a circle.
That's begging the question fallacy. That's what you're trying to prove.
No,
You don't have any tangents.
that's a mathematical definition. I'm just appealing to the definition of what the word simply means.
Yeah,
So
I know.
if the tangent exists,
your paradigm behind it.
yeah, if the tangent exists in reality in this context is a completely separate discussion. But what the tangent means, it can be simply backed up by the simple definition.
Yeah, it's a simple definition that train wrecks you. You're begging the question. Now, I didn't finish my proof. How do you have a horizon on a sphere when, according to the slope-intercept formula, y equals mx plus b, all horizontal lines which are derived from the horizon have a rate of change of slope of 0. But yet, the definition of curvature, according to the United States Naval Academy, is the rate of change of slope of non-zero. So in reality, we see horizons everywhere. They have rate of change of slope of 0. However, if we lived on a globetard, then we'd have rate of change of slope of non-zero in every direction from a tangent from our feet. So how do you reconcile that paradox?
I don't find it really a paradox, because a slope, it isn't something that a line has ultimately. It is dependent on the coordinate system, because it's measured relative to the x-axis. So depending on where you place your x-axis, the same line in like space, I'm not talking about outer space, but just like 3D space, could have different slopes or have 0 slope.
No,
But
not
in
horizons.
this case,
they don't have different slopes. No, negative. That's you'd fail third grade geometry.
Yeah, if you place your x-axis horizontally, which is how we usually do that, describing this kind of thing, then the horizon would, from definition, have 0 slope because the horizon is horizontal. But the rate of slope is a matter of convention, where you place the axis.
Welcome to Flat Earth.
Yeah, you just described something that can't be spherical and convex.
The horizon has no rate of change because the rate of change is described with respect to the horizon. Ergo, the horizon is an Earth curve.
The rate of change can be described using any relative to any arbitrary coordinate system.
What? We're not using a coordinate system. We're using the slope-intercept formula.
Yeah, a rate of change of slope is in relation to a horizontal. Slope is determined from horizontal. It's an angle above and below horizontal. That's what slope is. There's no point in trying to go into coordinate systems, which will also be using a horizontal baseline. If you want to go into three dimensions.
Can I ask a question that has absolutely nothing to do with what we're talking about right now?
No, because we're leading him somewhere. Right? Once this guy appreciates that the description of the rate of change is with respect to the horizontal, that's the horizon in this instance, if you're referencing something, because that's what we're debating, you realise that, right? Well, then if you have no rate of change, or the rate of change is described with respect to that horizontal, then you don't have Earth curve horizons. Furthermore, once you understand that concept, you can understand how the differential from eye level to surface level, that is horizontal, flat, gives you this impression that there's a point called Earth curve, a deviation from the horizontal, below surface level.
I agree that what you described proves really anything, because it really proves itself. The proof of this statement is contained in the statement itself, because you said that the elevation is defined, the slope is defined in the relation to the horizontal. And the horizontal, the baseline for it is the horizon. So logically, the horizon will have no slope, because you've referenced your coordinate system, your baseline, to the horizon in the first place. So you've simply
Stop. So when you got to that point last time, QE said, welcome to Flat Earth. I'm just going to do the same thing. Welcome to Flat Earth. So no Earth curve then. It's just straight, no deviation from the horizontal. That's what we're referencing, right? For the horizon.
But the horizon is only a one point on the surface, or a circle.
Horizon's
it doesn't contain the entire surface.
Incorrect. The horizon is not a point. I need citation. Horizon as a point.
And
Right
also, is it when you said it was a point? Were you going to say in respect to surface level?
No, it would be a point if you like drawn the Earth
Stop a second.
from the side view.
I'm sorry. Stop a second. You said no. So you're denying that the horizon is the point where surface level meets the sky. Then?
No, I'm not.
But you just said no. So it is where surface level meets the sky. No deviation from that level, because that's what the level deviation of curvature would be described from. So we'll be describing it with respect to surface level. Second time's a charm. Last time you said no. I think the word you're looking for is yes. The word you're looking for is yes.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to flat Earth. That's right. Earth's flat. The horizon doesn't represent a point deviating from a horizontal, because you're going to describe it with the horizontal of the horizon itself with respect to a surface level. That's a flat Earth.
But again, yes, if you also acknowledge this definition that the horizon is that apparent point where the ground will meet the sky.
It is.
It
is.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome
yes,
to yes. Welcome to flat Earth. Earth is flat.
Apparent position.
But my point is something different. My point is that because of this definition, that the horizon would be only in that one point on the surface,
not a point.
Which is the furthest
not
point
a point.
You can see.
It's not a point.
So why previously were you arguing that it is?
You are, because you need horizontals to meet a point below a dangling berry of an Earth below a surface level that isn't your globe. That's why. You need the horizon, that's the representation of horizontal, to be a point with a globe dangling below it. It isn't. Welcome to flat Earth. It's with respect to surface level, not your globe.
It would be a point if you draw the Earth as a circle.
Just try that again, the Dumbo that doesn't want to listen. The horizon's not a point. You want to get that through your thick skull before you say it a third time and a fourth time? No, it's not.
Yeah, in reality, the horizon isn't the point.
Well, stop saying it is then, Dumbo.
Again, I'm making a kind of simplification.
But you keep saying the horizon's a point, and you're wrong. You've just conceded how wrong you were 3 times. Do you want to apologise for wasting our time 3 times? Because you were wrong, and you've just admitted that. Just say, I'm sorry, yeah, you're right. It's not a point, as I keep saying. Irritating. Look, mate, Earth's measured flat, and we're talking about the point where surface level appears to meet the sky. That's surface level. It's right there in your Earth curve maths to derive your fantasy point below surface level. You need level to be level to derive the derivation from the surface level, and that's what you'll be doing when you describe your Earth curve. It just isn't the horizon.
Again, if you're getting higher above the surface of the sphere, this circumference of the horizon would be approaching...
Stop. You don't describe... Stop. You don't describe elevation with respect to C-curve, do you? Said your height with respect to the... You said your height with respect to the globe Earth. No, elevations are described from sea level, aren't they? Not C-curve. You don't describe your height off a curved surface and a globe Earth. You inferred that you do. I'm correcting you. We just need to get past this quickly, son. It's height above flat Earth, isn't it?
In geodesy, which is surveying, but at scale...
So I'm looking for a yes. Sorry, your height isn't off a globe, as you just said it is. This is the second time I'm having to point this out. You're a zealot. Yeah? You're refusing conceding the fact that it's measured from sea level. That's elevation. You just appealed to height. That's elevation. That's with respect to sea level. You said your height off a globe Earth. No, you don't get height off globe level. There is no thing as globe level to get height from. Third time. We just need to get past this quick, zealot. You need to say yes. Not tell me about bloody geodesy. You need to say, yeah, it's height above sea level, because it is. Hello? Can I just get a yes?
The reason why I couldn't concede...
Didn't ask for a reason for anything. You said height above the globe. Now I've stopped proceedings and I'm having to repeat it for a fourth friggin' time. You don't describe height from globe level. There's no such beast fifth time. You're really starting to piss me off. Just say yes. I understand my inaccuracy in describing elevation from a globe when it's in fact described from sea level. That's a flat earth. Just say yes.
Yes, the elevation.
Yes! So shut your mouth, dumb globe believing I need a flat earth to make my elevation. So you're going to be using a flat earth to give your elevation, are you? Au contraire. Now you can back your bullshit. You said height above globe level. You don't have that, do you? That would be a no! You just need to keep with the programme, you lying bullshitting glurf. When you said height above globe level, you didn't have that. That was a lie. Or were you just ignorant? Was it a lie, or are you just ignorant of height above globe level not being a thing?
What you said wasn't either a lie or a truth. It was a half-truth.
It's not half-truth. It's inaccurate. 100% wrong. Either your 100% inaccurate statement that we've got a height above a globe level. No, mate, we describe our height off a flat earth that you need to move your half-truth. Yeah, the half-truth bit, the wrong lie bit is about a globe. Now, either you're ignorant when you said height above globe level, or you're a liar. Which is it? Because you said height above globe level. You've already conceded that's wrong. You understand now because you've affirmed height above sea level. Yes, end quote you. So was it a lie when you inserted this bullshit about height above globe level? No, you'll take your height of a flat earth, mate. Let's get that clear.
The true part in the sea level is the word itself, which is...
It's level! Not height above a globe! Height above a level! Yeah, welcome to Flat Earth, globe-believing zealot. You need a flat earth to move your claim forward. Because when you assert altitudes in your glurf zealot belief, you'll actually... Not your lie about height above a globe, your height above sea level. The clue's in the title, you say, yeah. It proves a flat earth that you'll be using to move your claim forward. It's actually the starting point, because the first thing you'll do is describe a height off a flat earth. Won't you? It's your starting point.
No, I wouldn't, because it's...
So why did you say with a lie that you're taking height off globe level? That wasn't your starting point. You mean you lie about it being off globe level wasn't your starting point? Yeah, it wasn't a starting point from a globe level as you started with previously. I pointed that lying shit out to you. Now I'm pointing out that your starting point in actual fact is off a flat earth, isn't it, son? That's a yes that you're looking for. A yes. Your claim started with an altitude, didn't it? Yes! You need to affirm that which you just claimed off globe level, liar. Your starting point was an altitude, wasn't it, Glurf?
I don't have to use any...
Yes, it's the word you're looking for, globe-believing zealot. My claim to be lying Glurf claim started with a height above a globe. It wasn't a height above globe level, though, wasn't it, lying Glurf? Your claim started with a height above a flat earth. Didn't it?
Sea level already means a curved surface, so...
No, sea level doesn't mean curved. Sea level means level. Level means having no part higher or lower than another. Are you delusional or retarded? Level means level. Doesn't mean curving. To describe a curve, we've already gone through this with you, idiot. To describe a deviation from horizontal, that's level. Requires level be level. You can't describe a deviation from a level by saying level isn't level. What kind of idiot are you? Is that your last chance saloon? I'll suggest that the level I describe my deviation from isn't in fact the level to describe it from. You pathetic moron. Meanwhile, you're a lying glurf who described an elevation. That was your starting point, wasn't it? Fifth time. Yes.
But the height above...
Sea level, a flat earth. Your claim starts with a height above flat earth. You guys start your claims with a flat earth prerequisite. You lied, and said it was a height above globe. No, we don't have a height above globe level. Your claim starts with a flat Earth prerequisite, my friend. You measure Earth flat for this height. Don't you? Zealot that can't ever say yes to that question.
I'm not going to answer yes to a question that's a lie.
What, that you measure your heights above sea level? Is that a lie?
No,
No, so it's a fact that we'll measure our heights off a flat Earth. It's not a lie. The last zealot who came here also claimed I was lying. Your claim started with an elevation. You, zealot lying glurf, declared that it was a height above globe level. You don't have a height above globe level. That's nonsense. You do. It's not a lie. How dare you accuse me of lying when your own bloody claim comes with a height above a flat Earth? You projected the lie that you told. You said it was above a globe, and there is no such measurement, you lying scumbag glurf who projects your own lies and zealotry onto me. I haven't lied about your height above sea level, mate. It's just you need a little bit of flat Earth to start your claim off there, don't you?
the lie is hidden in the definition of...
You need a flat Earth to start your claim off, don't you, zealot?
No, I don't, because...
So why are you taking a height off sea level and lying about it being a height off globe level? There isn't a height off globe level as you lied about. You started off with a height. That's off sea level. Why would you do that?
Because the sea level doesn't imply a plane.